How to set reminders for server days or appointments in Groups application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how to set reminders for server days or appointments in Groups application. So let me just tell you that in most of the cases or most of the recent app version for Groups Recovered Together, there is no dedicated built-in feature for setting reminders, for example server day milestone or upcoming appointments directly within the app itself. So instead what you can do either is you can just open up your calendar on your device just like this and simply choose any of the dates where you want to keep a reminder for. So you can just label this entire clearly, for example groups therapy at 10 a.m. on Tuesday or 30 days sobriety anniversary, just like that, and simply click on save. Or you can also use third-party applications like daily sobriety counters or habit check-ins or custom reminders or motivational prompts. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.